Newspaper Christmas tree. This is fun and easy Christmas craft that can be done with children. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notifications. This will work really well as ornaments too. It's very quick and easy project. So let's start. For this you will be needing take any magazine paper and cut them into 3 sections. Now, place the stick at the corner of the paper at an acute angle. Tuck under the corner edge and then roll with your finger and then carefully lift the tube holding the end of the stick. When you reach the end, apply a small amount of glue to secure. You have a long tube. Make few more. Now take one tube and a barbecue stick, a thin barbecue stick, place it over here and roll it this way. Keep on rolling till the end. When you reach here, take out the stick, take another tube, apply glue and fix it here to extend the tube. Now continue rolling. Keep on rolling. Here press it, apply glue and paste it. Hold it and attach cloth pin. Now make few more. Now apply white glue all over on both the sides. Now color it with green color. You can use acrylic color. Now attach this with hot glue this way. Keep on attaching to form a Christmas tree. Now I have this star. I'm going to place it over here. You can decorate with beads all over. Isn't it very quick and easy craft? I'm sure kids enjoyed making it. If you make, please share with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Give this video a thumbs up and do comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching, supporting and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.